Trending low float stocks. This is Monday, the 13th of October, 2025. We have ACON and MTEX. ACON up 47%. It has given us some of the gains it ran up. You can see it printed this intraday high of 18.23 not long ago. It's quite volatile, quite volatile. Yeah. Let's see, there isn't any fresh news. The extrapolation of its three-period moving average is saying that higher prices may remain in place up till the 15th of October pre-market session. However, it has a downward projection of $7.84, which is almost close to, I would say, maybe up to 40% discount from the current levels. Price pressure momentums are all strongly bullish and trending. However, we have a fractional second derivative on the 21 period moving average. As I indicated earlier on, it has given up some of the gains it ran up, but it's quite volatile. You can see here. You can see when we started, it was around 47% or thereabouts. So it's just indicating that in the midst of all of this volatility, selling pressure is also going on. Short sellers are making the most of the stuff of the stock. Yeah, they're making the most of what's going on right now. So we also have as low as 4.81, 5.28, 6.06 in terms of downward projections. Let's see what we have on its daily chart. Let's see what it aligns with what is going on right now since it's not active at the moment. Let's see what it was saying as of Friday. Yes, as of Friday, it was saying that yes, this was going to happen. What is going on right now? What's going to happen? But it's not confirmed because the market hasn't even opened yet. This is the pre-market session. So it was saying that it's going to remain strong up till Wednesday the 15th, okay, and then consolidate up till the 16th, and then resume the uptrend by the 17th, where it may be rejected by as of the it may be rejected by Monday the 27th of October. Yeah, okay. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections here saying nothing really to the upside, more of downward projections, 11.71, 11.06, 10.01, 8.08. But it may have previous projections. Remember we have 18.23 here. Let's see whether it ever had anything of that magnitude previously. Okay, we don't need to bother ourselves. We could just go and have a look at the single minute charts to see what they have projected. Okay, nothing so far. We've seen those already. Okay, well, with 15.16, it is an upper projection from current levels. 15.96, 16.45, those are all the upper projections from current levels. The stock is, you can see it's declining now. You can see what I mean? Yeah, it's quite volatile. Yeah. Let's see what we have. 17.61, yeah, an upper projection. We want to see something more ambitious than the $18 that they printed there. 18.23. You want to see something a little bit more ambitious than that. Let's see what we have here. 18.75. Okay, just slightly more ambitious. 17.55. 15.6. Okay, let's see what we have on the 3 minute chart. Nothing here. Let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. We have 17.33, 16.13. Okay, nothing really that ambitious. Okay. So let's see what we have for MTEX. MTEX up 13.33%. Okay, it was trending at some point. Okay, not not as volatile, but it is. Yeah. Okay. It also has a low float. It seems. Yeah, it has a low float. Yes, and it's drawing attention from retail traders looking for potential squeeze opportunities. The stock has seen increased chatter and new watchers, with many are anticipating a breakout and significant upward movement. Committee members are discussing potential price targets and strategies to capitalize on the anticipated volatility. MTEX, let's see what we have. Quite volatile, you can see that. Yeah, quite volatile. Projections are currently saying nothing. It's not really saying, okay, it's saying mostly to the downside, but we'll see. Okay, extrapolation is saying that this volatility may remain in place at least an hour before the regular session opens. Then we may see a decline. Yeah, and then another a bounce by from Friday the 17th post market session. Okay, so let's see. Previous projections were saying 12.57, below that 11.95, below that 10.94. Current price is 10.2. Okay, there are indeed downward projections. 9.27 is a downward projection. Previous upper projection. Okay, previous yeah, we've seen such already. $12, 11.09, 10.71, 10.1. Price pressure momentums, yeah, they are 10 and 21 period moving averages are trending. However, they have a mix of positive and negative derivatives, and positive and negative derivatives. The negative derivatives are severely negative. Positive ones are fractional. So yeah, it's a mix of things. Volatility, selling pressure is going on very well, robustly, actively in this, given the modest amount of strength it has printed. Yeah. So projections that we have intraday high of 12.9 printed on the 1st of October. Yeah, we have such projections there, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Okay, let's just quickly have a look at its daily chart. Okay, so yeah, the that's volatility is also represented here, and the extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue to decline. Yeah, it's going to get rejected, and yeah, by today's trading session. Projections here are saying this mostly the sort of prices we have already seen. 11.46, 11.76 as of Friday. Okay, as of the 11th of September, I had as high as 12.56, 11.34. Yeah, just be really careful with these stocks. They cut both ways. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.